No, Etsy hasn't taken away your tags. They're not hiding your tags, and your tags are still as important as ever. You can't now put anything you want in your tags, and you're absolutely safe. Yeah, there's a surprise of a Hello Me video today. It's clearly a Pam rant time, but there's a rumor going about, and it's really got legs this time. Like every third post I'm seeing today, people are talking about this. They're mentioning people who've had listings taken down, and other people are giving them advice going, oh, well, it has nothing to do with your tags because Etsy's taken away your tags. Etsy has not taken away your tags. I'm going to show you absolutely why they haven't, how we can see they haven't, and talk about this a little bit. This obviously is a very unexpected video, but I just thought I would dive in and do it. So what are people seeing? When they scroll to the bottom of a listing, they are not seeing that listing's tags anymore. You used to be able to see the listing tags. Now, you didn't always see the listing tags. This has been a thing that Etsy's been playing around with ages. Sometimes you see the tags, sometimes you see some of the tags and some related searches, sometimes you see nothing. But clearly somebody said Etsy's removed the tags. Look, here's the proof, scroll down to the bottom. And people, because let's face it, we don't all scroll down to the bottom. So people who haven't scrolled down to the bottom of a listing in a very long time have scrolled down to the bottom and seen, oh, this has changed. Therefore, this must be proof that what this person said is true. And they're now repeating this thing as if it's true when it is not true at all. So let me show you, and then let me explain what's going on a little bit more here. So let's look into this. So I'm probably not seeing what you're seeing. I looked up a few different people's listings, and this is what I'm seeing. I'm showing you my listing so I don't out anyone's data or anything, but I just picked a random one of my listings. And when you scroll down, you get lots of other things. Now there's some handy things in here already. Look, when they're saying gift mode, browse by interest for the best gifts, and it's given you some ideas. Perhaps these are what Etsy's thinking my item might be good in gift mode for. Should I try adding the pet parent tag? That might not be an awful idea. The young bookworm. Why not? Anyway, and I love these collections. You can see what other things people are looking at. Very cute. But so we have explore related searches, and looking at these, explore related searches and explore more related searches, not only is this more than my tags, this is not my tags. Do we get a hover? I don't want to click a Ben McFuzzy Lug. I can promise you that in my listing, I do not have my shop name 3 times spelt in different ways. I thank you, Etsy, that as a related search, maybe it's showing me that people spell my shop name wrong. I also don't have corgi bookmark, corgi butt bookmark, corgi butt. These are not my tags. And again, these are not, I don't have Black Labrador, I don't have Dash Hound bookmark. What has happened? Has Etsy, because this used to be tags, has now Etsy removed my tags and just replaced them by this? Do you not have any control anymore? Tags are metadata. That's data about data. It's data that we give to the algorithm. They were never designed to be things that were shown. Etsy has started to show them, but now it's testing lots of different things. What's useful? Hey, I'm just bookmark Schnauzer, bookmark Husky. I'm going to make some different bookmarks. Giving me some ideas here. So absolutely use this for some ideas. This might be stuff that people are looking for. Anyway, going off track here. So you didn't always see your tags. You don't always see your tags. But what you're seeing here is not your tags, it's what Etsy's wanting to show you. It doesn't mean your tags have been removed. Now I'm going to use this little orange box here is eRank's Chrome extension. I can use this. If I click on this, this analyzes my listing. It's going into my listing. I can see the tag section and it shows me the tags that I have added to this listing. So they haven't been removed. They are still there in the data. eRank can pull this up for any listing. So this data is there on Etsy. Etsy understands this. So as we can see, you know, there's, yeah, the tags aren't as it were matching up. I don't have bookmark schnauzer, bookmark husky. I don't have black Labrador. I have my shop name one time, not spelt 3 times. Corgi things, cowboy corgi. A corgi with a cowboy hat. I didn't know that was a thing. Oh, cowboy boots. They'll be up to its chin. Random, anyway. So these are not the tags, but having these here doesn't mean your tags haven't been removed, and it doesn't mean that your tags aren't being seen. Your tags are working exactly as they always did. Absolutely nothing has changed in the SEO of your listing or how your listing's shown or anything. Tags were always things for you to explain to Etsy what your item is all about, so Etsy can understand more about your listing and show your listing in a better, different way. So nothing has changed. Tags have not been taken away. Tags are not irrelevant. Please, 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 please stop spreading this myth. I don't know who it started with, where it started, but yeah, Etsy haven't removed your tags. Your tags are absolutely still there. You can check. Everything is working as it was. Those related searches, as it says, it's related searches. It doesn't say it's tags. But them not showing on the bottom of the listing doesn't mean they're gone from the listing. They are still there. They're still working the same. Anyway, hopefully that's explained it, and hopefully you can all share when somebody says, oh, but tags don't matter anymore. I mean, yeah, just tell people they're talking rubbish. You can share this video if you want. There you go. There's proof. Tags are still there. They still count. They still work exactly the same. Let me know what you think.